Hi guys, I'm Yao De. Welcome back to my channel. Finally, I'm going to installing the Recaro Pole Position race seat, and I've been waiting these seats for about 4 months. And let me take you have a quick look on the seat. This is the Recaro Pole Position. This is the FIA version, and I choose the Alcantara with this leather on gray. And for this side plate, it is made by aluminum, which is really light. The seats also come with the steel one. If you want to get aluminum one, you have to buy it separately. The steel one is really heavy. You can feel the differences. And also this seat is light, but this seat base from Planted is made by steel, so it's a little bit heavy. The weight is about 17.5 kilograms. Total, I will weight the stock seats when I took it off. This Planted seat base is made for the B8, which is the same for the B9. And for removing, we are going to removing the seats later. And as you can see here, I already took this bolt off. It is T50, and there are 4 in total. Then this seat will be off, and you have to also disconnect all of this wire under the seat, and then this seat will be off. For this seat spare, let me move forward, then you can have a better look. Now you should be able to see it. Now as you can see, this seat spare is built on the seat, not on the pillow, so you have to remove this cover. You just click off and then slide up. Not sure you can see on camera or not. There is a clip here, which you just need to pull it out, hold that click, and then slide it down. Then this will be out. This is how to click it. You can see this click. You just pull it up and then slide this down. Then this will be out. And we are going to put it on later. Now let's restart the work. So now as you can see, this 4T50 is out, and the seat is already sliding down. And as you can see here, this is cover for the wires, and you just pull it out. And then you can see all of these wires, and I'm going to just use a pin to pull every click out. So as you can see, all of these 5 plugs are out. For this red, green, and this black one, they all have the same click, like this. You pull it down and then click it out. For this yellow one, this black click, you have to pull it up and then hold it down, pull it out. And the last one is this black one. There are 2 clips on 2 sides. Then you just pull them in and then pull it out. And now I believe the seat will be out. So now as you can see, the seat is out. And here you go. Now it is really heavy to move it out. And I just put the seat down on this side and then slide it out on here. It's really heavy. Be careful you don't scratch anything on your car. So here is a look. I really like this one. It looks much better. When I'm doing the track, actually we have less movement. And now we are going to swap this seat spare bucket onto there. And let me see what size it is. So I just had a test fit for this height, and it is all good. And also already removed this bracket and also all of these wires for the seat belt from that seat. All of them are just clean, and this one is a T40 to take it out, as you can see here. So I'm going to put this one to here. These are 4 bolts for the seat base, and these 2 is one for the seat belt on this side and one on the other side. This nut for the seat belt bracket and seat belt. I'm going to wire all of this up and then tighten everything up. And also as you can see here, I already cleaned everything up. So this is it. The seat is already in, as you can see. The seat belt went through this hole. Also, the bracket is also went through here, pretty tight here when you get your seat belt on. And also, as you can see, all of these bolts are in, and these 2 are pretty easy to get them tied down. The hardest one is the one on the right side at the front. Also, the one at the rear on the right side is also a little bit hard to tie them down. And use some zip ties to tie the wires for these bracket to tighten them on this seat base. And also, unfortunately, we got a safety system malfunction because the airbag doesn't on. I will see if I can find something else. This is it. and it is pretty tight to sit down with this seat compared to the stock one. And this will be definitely help a lot on the track with less movements. It's really cool. How do you see? So this is the end of the installation for the Recaro Pole Position. How do you guys think? I cannot wait when I back to the track with this new seat. Let's we see. And also it's reduced some weight as well. This will be end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy this. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you for your watching. I will see you next video.